How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set your profile picture in your WhatsApp without losing any qualities. Now, let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, simply head over to a chat section. Now here the basic idea is to send a picture to this chat. So after you're on the pictures section, simply select a picture that you want to set as your profile picture. Now the basic idea here is simply making the picture HD. Now on the top you should find an option called HD. Tap on it and tap on HD. Now this photo will be sent as an HD picture in HD quality. Now, after you send this, what will happen is that you will get to save this HD picture. So let me just send this. And as you can notice that it takes time as it is an HD picture. So after you've sent this in HD quality, you will need to save this again. So tap on the save option. You can tap on the save option and save this picture. And after you save this, what you'll need to do is head back, head over to the settings option on the bottom right. Tap on your name on the top and now tap on the edit option to change your profile picture. Now after you're here, simply choose the picture that you sent in HD quality and simply choose it and then put it as your profile picture. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.